row. Brad Queen, Justin Fifield in the second. Martin Edwards, Raven Culp in the third, and the 71 of Summers going to add to the field. 8 laps to distance. Green flag is out. In 1 and 2 we go. Chip Graham going to have your lead on the turn number 2. Del Wester sits second. Up to third, Justin Fifield. Brad Queen, 4th, 5th, Martin Edwards, 6th, Raven Culp. Those 2 fast drivers, 3 wide almost. Edwards trying to work under Queen. Back and forth is where the action's at. Martin Edwards looks underneath Brad Queen. New 4th-place car. Edwards is now Culp going to try to make it work too. He looks to the outside of Brad Queen. He slides him out of the group. Queen going to hold the spot. Culp underneath Brad Queen. That's for the 5th spot on the turn number 2. New 5th-place car, the 3 car of Raven Culp. Chip Graham still leads as 1. Wester second, 3rd. Fifield, 4th, Edwards, 5th, 6th, Queen, 7th, Summers. Final turn, final time. Your winner out of Louisville, Texas, the 5 of Chip Graham. 2nd, Del Wester, 3rd, Justin Fifield, 4th, Martin Edwards, 5th. Raven Culp, 6th, Brad Queen, and 7th, Kurt Summers. 1 car, green flag in the air. Into 1 and 2, the field goes. Langford and Vetter side by side for second as Russell Schroeder shoots out to the early lead. Vetter to the outside of Langford, Vetter in the second. Battle for 4th, Payne tried to go to the outside of Stevens as Eric Payne up the underneath Logan. Eric Payne now trying to work to the inside of Dalton Stevens down the back straightaway. That's a battle for 4th. Oh, Robert Vetter almost into the tractor tire. Had to move out of there. Evasive maneuvers for the V8 machine. He's able to keep going in the right direction. As the field strings out just a bit here. 3 down, 5 to go at the line. Go battling it out at the back of the field. Eric Payne and Logan Payne. Logan Payne to the inside. And Eric going to be able to hold him off. Halfway home, 4 down, 4 to go for your leader, Russell Schroeder. Better run second. 3rd, Jason Langford. 4th, Dalton Stevens. 5th, Eric Payne, and 6th is Logan Payne. We got 3 packs of 2 cars. Your leader of Schroeder's and Better, then the 2nd pack of Langford and Stevens, and the 3rd pack of the Payne. All of them separated by a good margin. Logan Payne to the inside. Oh, close call deep in the field. Eric Payne and Logan Payne absolutely going at it for that 5th spot. 2 to go at the line for Russell Schroeder. Dalton Stevens right to the back bumper of Langford. That dirty air shoots that car right up the raceway. Logan Payne almost into the tractor tire. White flag in the air for Russell Schroeder. Of a turn before, there's your winner out of 40, Russell Schroeder. 2nd, Robert Vetter. 3rd, Jason Langford. 4th, Dalton Stevens. And 5th is going to be Eric Payne. 6th, Tucker Dowdy, Larry Long, Johnny Miller, Jeff Day, Matthew Holt. 6 cars, 8 laps to distance, and the green flag is out. Tucker Dowdy looks to have the advantage in the 1 and 2, and he has the lead. Johnny Miller to the outside of Rob Beechler. He's up in a second. Jeff Day on the move. The Rocket Man up in the 4th. Now he's trying to look under Beechler. Beechler up the raceway. Day looking underneath him up in the 3rd. Goes the 95 D car. Larry Long now looking under Ron Beechler. Last week's feature winner on the move as well from the back of the field. He makes the move underneath Ron Beechler. That's for 4th. Tucker Dowdy leads, Miller 2nd, Day 3rd, Long 4th, 5th, Beechler, and 6th is Holt. Johnny Miller trying to hold off Jeff Day, but at the same time run down Tucker Dowdy. A lot of experience between those 3 drivers of Jeff Day, Johnny Miller, and Larry Long. Day trying to look to the outside of Miller. Close corner racing. Day crosses him over. Looks to the inside. No 1 and 2. Day's as he makes the move underneath Johnny Miller. That's for second. Day up into second. Day now with 5 down. He's got 3 to run down Tucker Dowdy. Two more sticks in the air for the young gun of Tucker Dowdy in that Blaines Water Supply 2X machine. Running second, Day third, Miller fourth, Long fifth, Beefler, and sixth is Matthew Holt. White flag in the air. One more lap for the driver out of Heat, Texas in the 2X machine. And up at turn number 4, there's your winner, the young gun, Tucker Dowdy in the 2X car. Second, Jeff Day. Third, Johnny Miller. Fourth, Larry Long. Fifth, Ron Beechler. And 6 to 16B, I'm Matthew Holt. 19 cars getting ready to go 20 laps around the Devil's Bowl Speedway. The track is lightning fast, and we're ready to find out who's going to take home the win tonight. Green flag is in the air. Russell Schroeder's out to a great start on your field. He's going to have the lead down the back straightaway. Jeff Day to the outside of Johnny Miller. That's going to be for the 4th spot. Robert Vetter now looks to the inside of Del Wester. That's for second. Wester off of turn number 2. He has the second spot. Robert Vetter underneath Wester. Your new second place car, the V8 machine. 21, Russell Shoulders, though, leading this one. He is strong out front. Yellow flag in the air. Jason Langford comes to a stop on the top of turn 3. Top of turn 3 for Jason Langford. Top of turn 3. One lap was completed. One lap down, 19 remaining. Green flag coming out off of turn number 4. Green flags in the air. Jeff Day capitalizes on the bad restart from Del Wester. Vetter got into the back of Wester, who came down into him, it looked like, into 1 and 2. And now Wester looks to get back underneath Jeff Day. Wheel to wheel into 1 and 2. Now Day down into Wester. Wester not giving up, though. He looks to the inside of Day. Day with a good run into 3 and 4. Jason Langford off the pace in turn 2. Langford off the pace down the back straightaway. The field's coming at full speed. Langford on the bottom of the Speedway. And Robert Vetter moves into 3rd underneath Del Wester. Langford off the pace. Where's he going to go? His car's not been running on the full speed the last few laps as he brought out the caution last time. And now he pulls off the raceway in turn number 3. Martin Edwards has moved up into the top 5 a lap ago, as now Langford has come to a stop once again at the top of turn 3. Looks like the crew's going to be able to push him off, and we stay green, but Jeff Day is hot and heavy on Russell Shoulders for the lead in 1 and 2. Shoulders up into Day. Vetter looks underneath Day. Day down the track into Vetter's lane. But everybody stays off of each other. We got a 3-car battle for the lead. Shoulders trying to Vetter underneath Day. Vetter makes the move into 2nd underneath Jeff Day. Vetter closing in on Russell Shoulders to the inside. New leader off of turn 4, Robert Vetter. Day underneath Shoulders now. Shoulders was the leader last lap. He's 3rd this time by. 9 down, 11 to go, halfway home next time by. Halfway home at the line from Vetter, your leader. 2nd, Jeff Day. 3rd, Russell Shoulders. 4th is Del Wester. 5th, Martin Edwards. 6th, Raven Colt. 7th, Justin Fifield. 8th, Logan Payne. 9th, Johnny Miller. And running your top 10 is Brad Queen. Robert Vetter about to encounter lap traffic as Raven Colt has caught Martin Edwards. We're about to have a battle for fifth. Edwards good through 1 and 2. He pulls away from Colt once again. Lap traffic for Robert Vetter, who's been on the bottom of the Speedway all night. He's going to have to go high or low on this lap traffic. First lap car encounter down the back straightaway into turn 3. He's got one down. Next car is Ron Beach with battle for third right now. Dale Wester looking underneath Russell Shoulders off of turn 4. Shoulders able to hold him on off of this juncture. Vetter by the lap car. It's going to be another half straightaway till he gets to Tucker Downey, which is 6 more laps to go. Second, or make that third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, or nose to tail in a battle here between Shoulders, Wester, Edwards, and Cole. Matthew hold off the Speedway. And we got one in the wall, almost upside down. Can't make out the number on that car. Hard in the inside retaining wall on the back straightaway. We had the spin in 3 and 4, and we also had one driver hard in the inside retaining wall down the back straightaway. Brad Queen, that is the Brad Queen 55 car, hard in the inside wall down the back straightaway. Here over the next 6 laps, green flag is out. Vetter shoots out to the lead. Martin Edwards around Dale Wester. Edwards up in the 4th. Now he's trying to size up Russell Shoulders in the 3 and 4. Vetter is gone from Jeff Day. Side by side for third. Martin Edwards not gonna get the line, but he has the inside groove in the 1 and 2. Shoulders up the raceway. Edwards underneath them. Wester underneath them. New third place car, Martin Edwards. Russell Shoulders falling throughout the field as Justin Byfields came alive. Raven Cope around Russell Shoulders. That's for 6. Logan Payne trying to make it for 7. Shoulders falling throughout the field with 3 to go. Shoulders off the throttle and off the Speedway. Vetter is gone by a full front straightaway over Jeff Day in 2nd. 3rd, Martin Edwards closing in on Day. Wester, Byfield, and Colt round out your top 5. 6th, Logan Payne. 7th, Eric Payne. 8th, Kurt Summers. 9th, Ron Beachler. White flag, 1 more lap to go for Robert Vetter. The battles for 4th between Wester and Byfield. Byfield on the outside of Wester. But in the TGS Motorsports, his team graphics, custom graphics, that's Robert Vetter taking home the win. 95, Jeff Day 2nd, 3rd, Martin Edwards 4th, Wester 5th, Byfield 6th, Colt 7th. It's Logan Payne. Standing down here in ASI Racing is RaceSaver Sprint Car Victory. Let's hear it for him, Robert Vetter in the V8 car. As we get him out over here in his fancy Smiley's Racing product suit, and usually it's the other way around. Most people would have thought that Limited would have went to victory lane and the sprint car would have finished somewhere mid-pack, but tonight it seemed like the Limited was mid-pack and this thing was pretty quick.
I can drive when it's heavy. I beat the best out there, Jeff Day. I mean, that was a heck of a race. I got into Dale a little bit early. I don't know, I just was so fast I ran him over by accident, but we saved it and just worked my way up and kicked butt finally. I finally won a sprint car at Devil's Bowl. That's awesome. It's a 305, but to win in the sprint car here, it's history. It's just awesome.
Definitely. It seemed like Day got around you. I'm sure when a fast guy like that gets around you, you're like, well, I won't have the chance to see him again. But it seems like he slipped up off the 2 and you had it going on the bottom side.
Yeah, I kind of tied my car up just a little bit, and when it's heavy like that, my car runs really good. And he got around me, I think, when me and Dale collided, and then he bobbled up there. I think he got into somebody, and I just filled the hole and went on.
They made the pass off of turn 4 on the bottom. Was you surprised to see Shoulders still running the top? Or, well, he's the leader. He probably didn't know everyone was on the bottom, huh?
Well, in the heat race, he ran the top and kind of beat me in 3 and 4. I was quicker in 1 and 2, and so he probably figured tried and true is good right there. And I just was so good on the bottom tonight. You'd had to go around me to beat me, so I was just perfect.
You had that late restart. Was you worried at all somebody's going to find something that you ain't found to get around you?
I wasn't worried he'd find something. I was worried it was Jeff Day. He's a hero of mine and a friend of mine for a long time, and he's very fast and intimidating. He come up next to me under caution and gave me the thumbs up, saying, you got this, and then my heart flutters, and it's like, man, I got to beat Jeff Day on a restart with 5 to go.
Definitely. Who helps you on this race car and puts all the effort week in, week out to get you into this position to take home the win?
The Keys always help me, which they own the limited modified. DGS, he's actually here tonight, so I'm glad he showed up. Jimmy Allard built my fast motor. His team graphics, Bill, the oil medics, everybody, my girlfriend, Jennifer, everybody that helps every week and puts up with my crap when I'm mad, that's who counts. And it's a team effort, and I finally won a sprint car race.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Your winner in the ASI Racing is RaceSaver Sprint Cars, the Wolf City Traveler, Robert Vetter.
Man. Going in the right direction. As the field strings out just a bit here. 3 down, 5 to go at the line. Go battling it out at the back of the field. Eric Payne and Logan Payne. Logan Payne to the inside. And Eric going to be able to hold him off. Halfway home, 4 down, 4 to go for your leader, Russell Shoulders. Better run second. Third, Jason Langford. Fourth, Dalton Stevens. Back and forth is where the action's at. Martin Edwards looks underneath Brad Queen. New 4th-place car. Edwards is now Culp going to try to make it work too. He looks to the outside of Brad Queen. He slides him down to Drew Queen, going to hold the spot. Culp underneath Brad Queen. That's for the 5th spot of a turn number 2. New 5th-place car, the 3 car of Raven Culp. Chip Graham still leads as 1. Wester second, 3rd. 5 Hill, 4th, Edwards, 5th, 6 Queen, 7 Summers. Final turn, final time. Your winner out of Louisville, Texas, the 5 of Chip Graham. 2nd, Del Wester, 3rd, Joseph 5 Hill, 4th, Martin Edwards, 5th. Raven Culp, 6th, Brad Queen, and 7th, Kurt Summers. 1 car, green flag in the air. In the 1 and 2, the field goes. Langford and Vetter side by side for second. It's Russell Schroeder. Row. Brad Queen, Justin Fifield in the second. Martin Edwards, Raven Culp in the third, and the 71 of Summers going to add to the field. 8 laps to distance. Green flag is out. In the 1 and 2 we go. Chip Graham going to have your lead on the turn number 2. Del Wester sits second, up to 3rd, Justin Fifield. Brad Queen 4th, 5th, Martin Edwards 6th, Raven Culp. Those 2 fast drivers, 3 wide almost. Edwards trying to work under Queen. Shoots out to the early lead. Vetter to the outside of Langford, Vetter in the second. Battle for 4th. Payne tried to go to the outside of Stevens as Eric Payne had to go underneath Logan. Eric Payne now trying to work to the inside of Dalton Stevens down the back straightaway. That's a battle for 4th. Oh, Robert Vetter almost into the tractor tire. Had to move out of there. Evasive maneuvers with the V8 machine. He's able to go.